Everyone, in this part of the video I will give some differentiate questions for class 6 students from chapter number 8. So the first question is differentiate between southwesterlies and northeast trade winds. Answer: in the southwesterlies you'll write the southwesterlies blow over the Pacific and bring rain throughout the year to the northwest of North America. In the northeast trade winds you'll write the northeast trade winds bring heavy rainfall to the southeastern coast of North America during summer. Next, differentiate between tundra climate and taiga climate. So in the tundra climate you'll write the tundra climate prevails in the northernmost region of North America and in the coastal areas of Canada and Alaska. This is the first point in tundra climate. In the second point you'll write here the temperatures are low throughout the year. The winters are long and very cold while summers are short and cool. In taiga climate, the first point you'll write the taiga type is present in a broad belt below the tundra from the Pacific coast in the west to the Atlantic coast in the east. This climate is mainly found in Canada. In the second point you'll write the winters are long and severe with plenty of snowfall. The summers are warmer than the tundra region. Next question, differentiate between tropical vegetation and Mediterranean vegetation. So in the first point, in the tropical vegetation you'll write tropical forests are found in Central America, West Indies and parts of Mexico as the region is hot and wet almost throughout the year. In the second point you'll write tropical forests of mahogany as well as ebony, logwood and palm along with sugarcane, coffee are found in plenty. In the Mediterranean vegetation, first point you'll write Mediterranean forests are found along the west coast of North America, especially California coast. In the second point you'll write trees like oak, cork, cedar, laurel and olive grow here. Next, differentiate between taiga vegetation and desert vegetation. So in the taiga vegetation you'll write taiga forests are found in a broad belt south of the tundra vegetation. The region consists of thick evergreen coniferous trees which have cone-bearing trees with needle-shaped leaves. Some of the important trees found here are pine, spruce, maple, fir, larch, etc. In the desert vegetation you'll write desert vegetation is found in the south of the taiga belt and east of the prairies. Due to extreme climate and scanty rainfall, the vegetation mainly consists of cacti, short grasses, thorny bushes, shrubs as well as plants that need every little moisture. So these are all the differentiate questions from chapter number 8.